Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome back to Rite-Way Detailing's YouTube channel. I'm Christian, the owner of Rite-Way Detailing here in Rancho Cucamonga, California. We are your local certified ceramic pro installer. Now you'll see on the underbelly of this plane, the opening for the landing gear, and then the underbelly. It was full hydraulic fluid and everything like that, but what we're seeing now is the final result after cleaning it and then protecting it with a 12-month sealant by Chemical Guys, which is their jet seal. So did a super deep clean on all the cracks, crevices, rivets, panels, locks, intakes, the list goes on a private jet. There's so much to make sure that you clean, but we got everything cleaned up, did some metal polishing on the cap for this propeller, and then of course sealed the entire plane with the jet seal, did the Lexan glass, or Lexan glass, excuse me. And then on the interior, where you spend most of your time, of course, when you're, a very successful business owner, as this client was, when you're trying to earn people's business, you really want to make them feel special. So when they pull up to the tarmac and get in something as beautiful as this, and then the interior is perfectly clean, has all their drinks and everything like that set up for their flight, they really appreciate and see how genuine the owner is, and that their business is definitely valued. So I do believe that we achieved that after speaking with the owner and the pilot. I believe they were very well pleased with the final results. Very blessed to be able to take care of something like this. This is the work that we focus on. Very meticulous, being able to handle very delicate items such as this. So, it's very strong, but there are things that are very delicate that you have to be careful with. And, really happy that we were able to get the job done on this and get it to where the point that it looks now. So look how beautiful that is. So glossy. The interior, we cleaned all that up too. So we did a deep cleaning, shampooing of the carpet and floor mats, and then carpet extracted everything, cleaned the leather, cleaned the cockpit, all the little tables, curtains, you name it, we cleaned it all up. So you'll see pretty soon here as I keep going. Just wanted to voice everything over, so I just wanted to say I really appreciate you guys tuning in, especially to a short clip like this, but I believe we're really making huge leaps and bounds in my business. Very blessed with the actual business that we've been getting. So just really wanted to showcase this. I was super excited to take care of a private jet. I have done a plane before, but nothing of this caliber. Was very excited for that. So just wanted to share this experience with you guys, and hopefully you guys enjoy this content. We got so much more coming. I do appreciate you guys. Again, please give this video a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit that notifications bell. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook. Check out our website. Shoot us an email. And here we're going to roll into the interior real quick. This is pretty much the final result. I mean, so beautiful. So once again, check the show more box, and we will see you guys in the next video.